Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color a makeup kit. It is very easy. Just follow me. Draw a medium sized rectangle like these. Very good. This is the case. Draw a smaller rectangle at the top. That's the mirror. Like these. Very good. Inside the palette, draw many small circles. These are the colorful eyeshadows. Very good. Draw the mascara. Draw thin, long oval shape for the bottle and tiny handles sticking out of the top. Now we will draw the lipstick like this. Very good. Now we will draw the nail polish. Draw a bottle that is round at the bottom. Now we will draw the cap. Very good. Now draw the brush part and the handle like this. Very good. Time to add some color. Use bright color for the palette. We use yellow color. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like this. Then we use sky blue color for the mirror. Like this. Very good. Don't cross the lines. We use pink color for this part. Like this. Very good. Use your favorite color for these circles. First we use orange color. Then we use pink color, red color, parrot color, brown color. In the last we use blue color. Like these. Then we use red color for the mascara and black color for this part. Like these. Very good. Then we use yellow color for the lipstick, orange color, very good, and red color for the actual part. Very good. Color the nail polish, brown color for the cap, like these. Then we use pink color for the bottle. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use brown color for the brush handle. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. In the last we use yellow color. Like this. And that's it. Your makeup kit is ready. Allah Hafiz.